Class of 2018, are you ready?
Today is a very, very special day, mainly because of two reasons. So the first reason is that I have an essay due today, actually. The second reason is one that I'm even more excited for, and that's the fact that tonight is ring premiere for my graduating class. I'm so excited. I understand some of you might not know what that is, so let me just explain it to you. So each class at Virginia Tech gets their own class ring. Each class ring is designed specifically for that class in order to represent that graduating class. My graduating class's ring is going to be, well, its design is going to be announced tonight. And I'm super excited for it because that means that I'm graduating soon. And honestly, I can't wait for the fireworks because that was my favorite part. Each year there's like a whole dance, it's like a whole formal event and everything. It's basically just like prom, but for college students. But tonight is the Virginia Tech Class 2018 ring premiere. It starts around 8. It's just gonna be announcing what our class ring looks like. There's gonna be 2 free raffle tickets, and then there are gonna be fireworks, and then there's a free shirt. So just in case it rains, I need to wrap up my laptop because this thing costs too much money to ruin. Alright, we're done. I almost forgot my phone charger. Got it. I forgot my phone too.
Look at you.
Thank you. Of course, I fell asleep in my class again, but that's okay because at least I'm still doing well, right? Now it's time to head to my next class, which is in about an hour and a half. Since I had so much time before my next class, I decided to just go spend my time wisely. I decided to just go to the gym. Unfortunately, everything I recorded was corrupted, so I can't upload for some reason. On the bright side though, I got a free shirt. See, look. Isn't it so nice? Now it's just time to head to class. Alright, so I'm finally done with the classes for the day. It's about 5 p.m. We have about T-3 hours until ring premiere, so now it's just time to get some food and at the buffet, which is right over there. I don't know why I do this, but I'm gonna hate myself so much. I regret so much right now. It's about 7 p.m., which means that we have about less than an hour until ring premiere. For now, all I'm gonna be doing is just sitting here and just relaxing and just enjoying the scene around me.
But more importantly, to each other. Class of 2018, are you ready?
I guess I'm not getting a free t-shirt. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but so this line wraps all the way back into the back of the building, wraps all the way back around, and then finally gets to over the entrance over there. We got it! Despite all difficulties, we got our class shirt. Look at this. Doesn't this look great? Oh, this makes me so excited. Now I have to graduate on time.